Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add drop shadow to your image with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just head over to the project that you want to edit and open it up. So after you open up your image, position it a bit. So after that, just select your image and click here on edit. So let the option load up. So after you click on edit, you will see the option for shadows here. Just click on shadows and you will see the option for drop shadow here. So just click on it. And after you click on drop shadow, as you can see, the effect has been added and you can blur it as you like. So that's it with the video, guys. That's how you add drop shadow to your picture in Canva. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.